Things are getting exciting around here. I've got new news on the Dragon Link, which isn't quite put back together here, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on the radio. Let that start coming
Welcome to
up.
OpenTX. OSD1 manual mode.
And then I'm going to turn on the platform. Platform is on. Now I'm going to turn on the computer here that I use for all my work on the bench. It's on. And now as it comes on, let me show you on its screen what happens. Well, actually, you won't be able to see it, but I'll show you what's actually happening here. Now the computer has come up, and if we go in and look right now, we can see that the Dragon Link transmitter has connected. You can see it right here. I've got it set to automatically connect now. And if we go into Mission Planner, we can see that Dragon Link and Mission Planner connect right up without me doing anything at all. I've got it set to automatically connect to the Wi-Fi on Dragon Link. And then as you can see, it connects to Mission Planner. Sorry about the maps out here. It hasn't pulled in any GPS locks, therefore it's not showing its GPS position. That'll happen over the next few minutes. Right here where it says GPS no fix just means it doesn't have satellites. But there it is. It's working. It only took close to 4 months to get it that way. We can see here on our connection here, 1.1K, which is a fine connection. That will transfer a lot of data. You can see down here, the Mission Planner link quality is 99%. What did I do? Nothing. I got in a replacement transmitter Tuesday. Got it in Monday afternoon, really late, and still had some trouble with it. But Tuesday, I just reset everything up from scratch, and it works perfectly now. There's really not a lot for me to do. So after 4 months of hassling, I finally got working Dragon Link telemetry. And it seems to work great. I wished it had worked out of the box. I wouldn't be as frustrated as I have been, but I just had to work through Dragon Link technical support to get a replacement transmitter, and the replacement transmitter works. The original transmitter I got doesn't work. We sent in our tax returns and are getting back a little bit of money. So I did try to find a camper cover for the truck to be able to carry stuff in the bed, but I couldn't. Not in the price range that I really wanted to pay. Plus, my truck's fairly old. So I ordered this one with shipping and everything. It was just a little bit under $300, but it's just a tonneau cover, trifold tonneau cover that will cover the bed of my truck and will keep airplanes from flying out in the breeze while I take them back and forth to the flying field. The Skyhunter's 6 feet, almost 6 feet in width. The wingspan, which will, in my truck, it's a 6-foot bed, so it'll fit front to back just by about an inch in the bed of my truck. It won't fit in the little Kia with parts put together. So there's two things. After almost 4 months, Dragon Link is working wonderfully. And Saturday, I get this cover for the bed of the truck, and I'll be able to take stuff back and forth to the field. And see, the GPS finally got some satellites. It's having a lot of trouble here in the basement this morning. It's really cloudy and overcast. It's only got 4 satellites connected, locked in. Oops, it just went no fix again when it lost those 4 satellites. They'll come back rather quickly, but that's just a result of being here in the basement on a very dreary day. They're back, you see. That's quite normal for indoors. Indoors is not a good place to test GPSs. All right, so that's the updates for today. I'm so happy to have Dragon Link finally working and getting my telemetry. Little 4-month delay there, and now it's over. It's working. All right, thanks, guys.